Welcome to this relatively short vlog video. I'm not going to lie to you, I thought this footage was lost to the depths of time. I did try to find it, couldn't find it a while back, so I never made the video. And then in the course of doing the videos for FarmCon 23 and some horse stuff, and I was moving some files around and I came across the footage. So this is a real life silage harvest being undertaken out near Graysondale Farm in Deanscale. If you watch my channel, you know we love to go there. This is the farm right across the road from where we stay. I just happened to be out in the lane and caught them doing it, so I hope you enjoy it. Sorry about the wind, sorry about the wind noise. Silage harvesting 101. We're away up on the hill, which we'll have a look at in a minute. They've got the forage harvester going. They've got a John Deere 8300 running at the top of the hill. I'll get some footage of that in just a moment. As you can see behind us, there we can see behind us, where are we? I'll turn to that in a minute. They are, there we go, bringing it down load after load, exactly like we do in game. Isn't it awesome? Exactly like we do in game. Tipping it, then the other John Deere there is running up and down, compacting. It's brilliant, loving it. The John Deere forage harvester was right here by the farm a little while ago, so it was a bit, exposure wasn't about in there. So hopefully I'm going to go over to have a look in a minute, and we'll be able to see the forage harvester running as well. But I'm going to take a bit more footage of this here. This is kind of not all of what I was going to do while I was away, but part of what I was going to do. So enjoy. The light's in exactly the wrong place at the moment, unfortunately, but there is a JCB up there at the top, flattening, John Deere there, and we've got them hauling here. Sorry if we lost focus there. Why is this not focusing properly? Is that not just cool? I mean, like, seriously cool. I'm hoping this footage comes out now. as I said, just a short little vlog video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give us a like. If you don't subscribe yet, please do. If you want to leave a comment, feel free. And if you want to share this video, then please be my guest. Whatever you should choose to do. As always, thanks for watching.